Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the skid steer loader. So let us detailly discuss in the upcoming slides. So before stepping into the skid steer loader topic, let us recap the things that you have seen in the previous session. So in previous session we had detailly discussed about the backhoe loader. So this backhoe loader, it has been used for multi-purpose like digging or carrying the loosened materials from one place to another. Being a versatile vehicle, we can use it for many applications, right? So let us dive into today's topic. So before going into the topic, let us see the pain points that make us to use this particular vehicle. So we know that backhoe loader it is a versatile vehicle. Since it is a versatile vehicle, but the disadvantage is that it cannot be used in a very small places like in indoor or inside the construction sites. So inside the construction site it is impossible to use the backhoe loaders, right? So in that place, we need some vehicle which serves as the same purpose of the backhoe loader, and also by doing this we can reduce the manpower inside the construction site also for filling the loosened materials or the carrying the loosened materials from one place to another, etc. So we know that doing with help of the manpower it takes more time, and also slow work progress, high fatigue can be happen. So with a we need some vehicle which is very small, need to go inside the construction site, and it should do what are the things work that has been done by the backhoe loader in a small scale manner. Yeah, one effective idea is to design the compact machine with the zero radius turning, which is nothing but the skid steer loader. So we can use the skid steer loader for this purpose. So skid steer loader is nothing but it's a compact and a high maneuverable machine or vehicle which can be used for material handling, loading, and even some kind of digging and site cleaning. So here this particular even though the wheel has been present in this particular vehicle, here the differential steering system has been followed rather than the orbital which has been used in the wheel conditions. So due to its small condition, it can be used in the small areas or confined spaces as per other requirements. So these are some components of our skid steer: engine, frame and chassis, lift arms, bucket and attachments, the hydraulic system, drive system, wheels or tracks. Here most commonly the wheels has been used with a track differential steering system, an operating cabin and the controls inside the operator cabin. So in construction part, we can see that it consists of a bucket which, in the front of the vehicle. The entry of the driver is also placed in the front of the vehicle rather than the side in the other vehicles. And the driver cabin which is fully protected with ROPS structure. And lift cylinders has been placed in the boom areas where we can actuate the bucket and the booms. And tires has been present here. The tires has been used, and in addition to that, click differential steering system has been used so that the differential steering system can be obtained rather than giving the steering control to either front or rear. It has been given to the sides, like in the differential steering system. Drive motors has been used, and also axles has been used here for the transmission system. So working is simple. With the help of this particular bucket in the front area, we can dump or we can lift the vehicle and lift the loosened materials and can transfer to one place to another. This control all present in the driver cabin. So within the driver cabin, the driver can actuate all these mechanisms. So the main advantage is it's a very compact size, excellent maneuverability when you compare to other vehicles, and it's also versatile machine with a attachment in a small scale manner. High productivity in small job sites and easy transport due to its small size and simple operation with the joystick controls is provided in the driver cabin. And disadvantage is that lower lifting capacity when compared to the heavy loaders, and rough ride due to rigid suspension, and high tire wear due to skidding, because in this tire here the differentiation steering system is followed. So due to that the high tire wear will happen, and limited performance on soft and muddy ground, and smaller bucket capacity, so that smaller volume of loosened materials can be taken, which serves as a disadvantage, because in other orders we can take more volume of loosened materials. And the application involves it can be used in the construction sites, road and footpath works, agriculture works, landscaping, warehouses and industrial yards, demolition works, and snow removals. So this slide mind map is the overall things that you have seen so far: the introduction, definition part, need analysis, ideation, the components, the advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.